Hello, my dear students. This is Shobhna Sharma, your computer teacher from Computer Faculty at Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Welcome to your computer class. Today, we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 8, exploring the desktop. In this chapter, we will learn point number 1, what is a desktop? Point number 2, what are icons? Point number 3, what is a title bar? Point number 4, what is a taskbar? Point number 5, what is a wallpaper? And at last, we will discuss some definitions of the following terms. Those are minimize, maximize, and close. Now, we will discuss every point accordingly. The first is, what is a desktop? The first screen which appears on the computer is called a desktop. Children, as you can see in the below picture, the blue color screen which is visible in front of you is a desktop screen. So, as you will open the computer, the first screen which appears in front of you is called a desktop. Now, next point is, what are icons? The small pictures which appears on the screen are called icons. Children, as you can see in this below picture, this picture is of desktop screen. So all the left hand side, the small pictures which you see, these are called icons. So all the icons are systematically arranged on the desktop. Now the third point is, what is a title bar? The top bar of a window which helps us to recognize the name of an application is called a title bar. Children, as you can see in the below picture, my computer is open. So the top bar, which is visible with a blue color, on that my computer is written, and the arrow which pointed on my computer, this is called a title bar. Now comes the fourth point. What is a taskbar? The bar seen at the bottom of the screen is called a taskbar. Children, as you can see in this below picture, the blue color bar which appears on the desktop screen at the bottom of the desktop, that is called a taskbar, in which many of the buttons are available, like start button, quick launch icons, the clock, the date and the time, and some notification area. This all includes in a task bar. Now comes the fifth point, that is, what is a wallpaper? The picture on the desktop is called the wallpaper. So children, as you will open the computer, the desktop screen is visible. So the picture which appears on the desktop screen, that is called a wallpaper. Now we will discuss some of the definitions of the following terms. The first is minimize. The button that squeezes a window into the icon of an application. So children, as you can see, this minimize button, this is available on every application which you open on the computer. So what does it do? It squeezes a window into the icon of the application. Now comes the maximize, the button which helps us to put the application in a desktop size. Children, as you can see in this picture, the square shape is visible. So children, this is the icon of the maximize button. So what does it do? It helps us to put the application in a desktop size. Now the last is close. The button at the top right corner of a window which helps us to close the application. So children, as you can see, the below picture is the icon of a close button. So what does it do? It helps us to close the application. Now it is the time for the homework. So today's homework is, dear parents, kindly help your ward to read the chapter carefully from the book. Now, at last, stay safe, stay at home, sanitize yourself, take care of your family and yourself, and do study in this pandemic period. Till then, thank you.